Hello everybody, here is a Codep TC series ceiling fan. I got it at Habitat today for $25. And it came with all the parts except for the globes, so I added one of them. And it is a stencil blade fan. I looked on the back. I looked on the top of it. It's a 1977 model one. So and didn't come with all the wire, yeah. And it did come with a mounting bracket. This is it. Right here. So, yeah. Let's spin it. Oh no. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so sorry about that. I just had to take that off. Okay. That's it spinning. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Out.